YouTube just changed how the algorithm works again, and a lot of creators notices drops in views. Impressions are down and viewers wondering if YouTube stopped pushing their videos. But in this video I'll break down exactly what changed, how to position your content so you can make the algorithm recommend your videos in 2026. So first let's talk about what's actually changed. The YouTube algorithm used to focus on a lot more on search result and notifications, but not anymore. Now it's completely interest-based. That means YouTube studies what people are already watching, what they skip, and how long they stay, and then recommends more videos that matches those viewers' patterns. So instead of pushing your content to everyone, YouTube now pulls your content towards people who already watch the same topics. Now that changes is massive because it's no longer about ranking in search or posting at the perfect time. YouTube's main goal now is viewer satisfaction, and that's all driven by watch history. Back in the day, if you subscribe to someone, YouTube would keep sending you notifications every time they upload. Now it's completely different. For example, if someone watches 2 or 3 videos about YouTube growth, their entire home feed gets filled with more videos about YouTube growth. So if your content doesn't match what your viewers is interested in, YouTube can't figure out who your videos are for. And when that happens, the algorithm simply stops recommending your videos altogether. So what does that mean for you as a creator? First, focus on one audience, not everyone. Stop trying to make videos for everyone. Pick one particular audience and start creating content that fulfills their specific interest. If one week you talk about YouTube tips and the next week you're uploading a vlog about working out, YouTube gets confused. It doesn't know who to recommend your videos to. But if every video speaks to the same audience, YouTube learns exactly who your content is for and starts recommending it to more people who love that same type of content. So that's why you have to really be careful about the kind of content you make. Every video you post needs to connect with specific audience. It has to line up with their exact interest. Now, secret number 2, hook viewers fast and keep them watching. You probably already know how important your title and thumbnail are for getting clicks. But here's the thing, YouTube doesn't care about clicks as much anymore. Yes, thumbnail and titles matter, but not really as much as how long people stay on your video. That's why YouTube has started killing clickbait videos, even if your thumbnail and title bring views in. If your content does not deliver enough value to keep people watching, YouTube stops recommending it no matter how good that thumbnail looks. The clicks alone doesn't matter anymore. It's not just about flashy thumbnail, it's about retention. If people click and leave after 10 seconds, the algorithm drops your video instantly. But if they watch until the end, comment or reply, YouTube pushes it even harder. So before uploading, focus on hooking viewers in the first 10 seconds and design your video to bring immediate value. That means the moment someone clicks, you should immediately confirm the promise you make in your title and thumbnail, because that's what sets the tone for your entire retention curve. Now the third secret is stay consistent with the value. You've probably heard that consistent is key. But what really matters isn't just posting often, it's staying consistent with the value you bring. The new algorithm rewards creators who deliver steady, focused value over time. It's not about uploading daily, it's about building trust with your audience. So when you start uploading, you will slowly build an audience that trusts you and come back for your content. They are not just watching you, they are learning from you. And once people start getting value from your videos, they will keep returning for more. So think about it this way, every video you make could be the one that someone out there really needs. Keep improving a little bit with each upload, whether it's your editing, your message, or how clarity you are in the video. Consistency and value together are what help you grow in long term. So if you're just starting out and you want the algorithm to actually work with you, not against you, focus on making content for the same audience. Keep your intros short, get to the point fast, and stay consistent with the value you are bringing each time. But if structuring your video is something really bothering you, I have put together a free script template that's going to make the whole process a lot easier. Please grab it below. And if you like this video, then you're going to love my next playlist where I talk about how you can start and grow your channel. Watch it in here. Please drop a like on this video, it helps a lot of people to find it. I really appreciate that. Subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll see you soon. Take it easy. Bye bye.